Tavapa subscribers question number 4. Question iri kuti, it is given that the universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, where H is a set of prime numbers and K is a set of odd numbers. A, list the elements of set H. Then B, iri kuti find the number of elements of H union K. Samanzira tunoita ma questions set theory hai. Tinoda iso. We are told that the universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then taudzwa kuti H is a set of prime numbers. Satofanga kugona kudefine what a prime number is. Saka a prime number is a number which only has two factors, 1 and itself. And kana tichiti factor tikureva number inopinda mune number perfectly without leaving a remainder. Taudzwa kuti H is a set of prime numbers. To define out a prime number is a number with two factors, 1 and itself. Tikataura zvakare kuti a factor is a number which divides into another number without leaving a remainder. Sangatarise ma elements ari mukati me universal set. Tuone kuti ma prime numbers nde api. 1 is not a prime number, and this is a very important fact. 1 is not a prime number. In as much as we define a prime number as a number with two factors, 1 and itself, 1 is only one factor, which is itself. Saka 1 is not a prime number. What about 2? 2 is a prime number because it has only two factors, 1 na 2. Kureva kuti the first element in this set H is going to be 2. Then 3 is also a prime number. As if 4 is a prime number because 4 in a factor, in a 2 is a factor. Saka the factors of 4, they are actually 1 is a factor of 4, 2 is a factor of 4, and 4 itself is a factor of 4. Kureva kuti it's not a prime number. How about 5? 5 is a prime number. 6 is not a prime number because of 3. 7 is a prime number. 8 is not a prime number because of 2, because of 4. 9 is not a prime number because of 3, and 10 is not a prime number because of 5. Kureva kuti ma prime numbers edu ese ndi 2, 3, 5 na 7. Then taudzwa zvakare kuti K is a set of odd numbers. Sataura zva kuti ma elements ake ende api. Then tikatarisa in our universal set, ma elements ake, they are actually clear cut. Kana chiti a number is a odd number, in number isina 2 as a factor. Kureva kuti number isingakwanise kudividwa na 2 isingatipe remainder. Kureva kuti in this case our odd numbers are actually going to be 1, 3, 5, 7 na 9. Saka aya ndio anenge ari machi ma odd numbers edu 1, 3, 5, 7 na 9. Ngatichiendai ku part A ye question. Part A yati list the elements of H. Kureva kuti panapa you just come and say H is equal to 2, 3, 5 and 7. This will be our final answer. Then takwenda ku the second part of our question, iri kuda kuti titsvage, iri kuti find the number of elements of H union K. So the number of elements of H union K, there are many methods to use here, but ngatishandise only 2. Saka our method 1, tinotora H totora K. Kana tichiti union, tukureva ma elements ese, tinonyora ma elements ese without repeating an element. kureva kuti before we look at the number of elements of H union K, we have to first define H union K. Kuti H union K ndiani? Saka tinotanga taenda pana H, tonyora ma elements ese ya H. Saka tina 2, tina 3, tina 5, tina 7. Then toenda pana K, takuchinyora ma elements ari muna K as asiri muna H, because hatisi kuda kudzokorodza an element, remember. Kureva kuti takutanga na 1. Then tikatarisa tichaona kuti 3 ushu ari muna K ari muna H futi, 5 ari muna K ari muna H, 7 ari muna K ari muna H, kureva kuti tana 9 panapo. Saka talista ma elements a H union K. As question yedu iri kuda kuti titsvage the number of elements of H union K. Kureva kuti takungoverenga panapa 1 2 3 4 5 6, kureva kuti our answer is going to be 6. And this is our method number 1. Ngatiitei method number 2. As method iyi toda kushandisa inonzi iyo Venn diagram. So let us clear the working space kuti tikwanise kuita izvozvo. This is going to be our Venn diagram. Tina universal set, todai so, todai, toisa box. Then tine 2 ma subsets, tina H, tina K, todai so. Then now, takuda kutsvaga zvinhu zviri common between H na K. What is common between H na K? Kureva kuti zviri kuwanikwa in both H na K. Saka tikatarisa 2, which is the first element of H, tinoona kuti muna K hamuna 2. Saka azvo zvatonyora panapa. Asi 3 ari kuwanikwa in both H na K. 3 is an element common in both H na K, kureva kuti panapa tichaisa 3. Then tikatarisa 5, the same thing. Panapa tichaisa 5. Tikatarisa 7, panapa tichaita 7. Kureva kuti pari kusangana H na K, the intersection of H na K, tikuda ma elements are common in both H and K. Then after having done so, takuchitarisa H ega, takuda nyora ma elements ari muna H as asiri part of this intersection. Saka tina 2, 3 are part of the intersection, 5 are part of the intersection, and also 7 are part of the intersection. We do the same kuna K, kureva tichanyora 1, then 3 are part of the intersection, 5 are part, 7 are part, then we have 9. Then touya kuuniversal set kwedu, totarisa kuti tine here ma elements asiri muma subsets edu aya, but ari within the universal set. Saka 1 arimo, ari mu universal set, arimo zvakare muma subsets, the same as 2, 3, 4, no 4 hapo, kureva kuti takumunyora kunoku as a complement. Then 5 arimo, 6 hamo, then 7 arimo, 8 hamo, then 9 arimo na 10 hamo. So this is our Venn diagram representation of masets atapiwa. When we are looking at H union K, trikutarisa ma elements are within ma subsets edu ese, ndozora kuti union. Saka kana takutsvaga the number of elements of H union K, zvongoreva izvo kuti tichaverenga ma elements ari mukati mema subsets. Saka tine 1 2 3 4 5 6. Our answer again becomes 6. So this is how we solve this question. If you have any other question, you can put it in the comment section and we will address it. If you have a question pertaining to how I did this calculation, you can also ask. Thank you and take care.